Hi, and welcome back. Well, as you can see, it's pickup day. I'm getting my car back, my Tesla, my awesome Model 3. It's been a month, and yeah, so I'm excited to have it back. I'm going to take you around and show you where the repairs are so you can see how good it came out. Okay, so as you can see, there's no trace of anything. It looks beautiful. They did a great job. Really, really looks good. And that's all reflection, by the way. They did wash the car, so. But yeah, no trace of any damage or dent or anything. So it looks really good. Hi, so I'm inserting this. Obviously, I have left the repair place, but I wanted to insert this because I thought it was something interesting to let you know. So I just took the first drive after a month, and I will say, wow, I have completely like gotten unused to or lost the getting used to of driving my Tesla. It's really weird. Like I got in and I took my foot off the brake and expected the car to move, which I've had the car for 2 years. You'd think I would know, but also the regenerative braking, I mean, it didn't bother me, but it was just like, oh yeah, that's right, and different things. And yeah, it's amazing after 1 month how you can really lose the familiarity after just a month. And I really can tell you, I did. It feels like a whole new experience, which is cool. It feels like, I got a new car all over again. But yeah, so I just thought I wanted to insert this and let you know that and point out that after a month, you really do lose your familiarity, and it's really interesting. So yeah, so here we go. We'll continue. So yeah, so that's it. What a journey. And I'll tell you, I've learned to really appreciate my Tesla a lot over the last month. I've missed it terribly. I'm glad I'm picking it up. This concludes all the repair videos. I'm just waiting for them to open. I'm here a little early so I can go in and sign the papers and pay my deductible and be on my way and get back to driving it. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for subscribing. It really is appreciated. Please like, share, comment. Let me know what you think of the repairs, of this whole process, that it took a whole month, and we'll see you next time.